Genetically modified organisms by me. For thousands and thousands of years, humans have been selectively breeding both plants and animals in order to get the result of traits in DNA they want. But what exactly happens more recently with this process? Well, let's take a little bit of a look, shall we? I think we shall. There is now CRISPR-based gene editing. It is more advanced technology than when humans first started genetically modifying things and more accurate. Need more of an insight? Have some examples. For plant life, let's look at papayas. They were modified in the 1990s at the University of Hawaii, and the reason for that was to save the papaya industry from papaya ring spot virus. Now let's look at some benefits and disadvantages. The pros for genetically modifying papayas are no more papaya ring spot virus, long shelf life, and resistance to herbicides, while the only con I could find was widespread contamination. If you want to look at animals, on the other hand, let's take a look at mosquitoes. From what I could find, they were genetically modified around 2009 and 2010 in a few different areas, for example, Brazil and India. The reason was most likely because people wanted to weaken the already alive mosquitoes or make it so they produce weak offspring, which means less dangerous and less of a population, which we can view as pros. But they still exist, they still sting, and can still carry some diseases, which are cons. So, what's my opinion on this? Well, I'm glad you asked. I believe that it really matters on what is being genetically modified because some things benefit from being genetically modified and some things just get worse or is pointless entirely. So if it's helpful, then yes, do it. But if it's okay how it is, don't change it. Just like the motto, if it isn't broke, then don't fix it. But hey, that's just a concept. A biology concept. See, I told you I'm ripping off MatPat for this, and I meant it. Also, have some cited sources in a second once the slide changes. There we go.